GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the answers for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams on general knowledge for the topic of dates, days, and years. Let us take the very first question. Look at the very first question asked for MPPSC in the year 2018 like this. The National Sports Day is celebrated on which day? Option A 29th September, option B 14th November, option C 29th August, option D 29th July. Dear friends, remember the National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Let us take the next question. Look at the second question asked for CDS exam in the year 2019 like this. The United Nations has been observing International Day of Rural Women on option A 15th July, option B 15th August, option C 15th September, option D 15th October. The correct answer is option D 15th October. 15th October is observed as International Day for Rural Women in the United Nations. Let us take the next question. Look at the third question asked for CGPSC Chhattisgarh Public Service Commission in the year 2018 like this. When is International Yoga Day is celebrated? Option A 2 April, option B 21 June, option C 5th June, option D 21 May. The correct answer is option B 21 June. The International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21 June. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Let us move to the next question. Look at the fourth question. It was asked in 2018 for WBCS, means West Bengal Civil Service, like this. What is the name of Child Rights Week from 16th November to 20th November 2017? Option A Samardh 2017, option B Samriddhi 2017, option C Hasla 2017, option D Hunar 2017. The correct answer is option C Hasla 2017. The next question is, look at the fifth question asked for NDA exam, means National Defense Academy in the year 2018 like this. Which one of the following is the theme of the World Blood Donor 2018? Option A Blood connects us all. Option B Be there for someone else. Give blood, share life. Option C Give blood, give now, give often. Option D Thank you for saving my life. Dear friends, the correct answer is option A. Blood connects us all. Let us move to the next question. Look at the sixth question asked for SSC exam, means Staff Selection Commission, in the year 2019, like this. As a reaction to Rowlatt Act, Dash was organized as National Humiliation Day. Option A, 6th April 1919. Option B, 2nd February 1913. Option C, 14th June 1921. Option D, 8th May 1920. The correct answer is 6th April 1919. Therefore, option A is correct. Let us take the next question. Look at the seventh question asked for RRB exam in the year 2019, like this. Which country celebrates its Independence Day on January 4th? Option A, Pakistan. Option B, Myanmar. Option C, Malaysia. Option D, Indonesia. The correct answer is option B, Myanmar. Myanmar is celebrating its Independence Day on January 4th. Let us move to the next question. Look at the eighth question asked for SSC exam, means Staff Selection Commission exam, in the year 2019, like this. In which year was the World Trade Organization established? Option A, 1952. Option B, 1942. Option C, 1947. Option D, 1995. The correct answer is option D, 1995. The next question is, look at the ninth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019, like this. When is the National Science Day celebrated to commemorate the contribution of C.V. Raman? Option A, 14th January. Option B, 16th November. Option C, 19th December. Option D, 28th February. The correct answer is option D, 28th February. Let us move to the next question. Look at the 10th question asked for SSC exam in the year 2020, like this. The birth anniversary of Dash is celebrated as International Nurses Day every year. Option A, Clara Barton. Option B, Florence Nightingale. Option C, Mother Teresa. Option D, Alice Walker. The correct answer is option B, Florence Nightingale. The next question is, look at the 11th question asked for JPSC, means Jharkhand Public Service Commission, in the year 2016, like this. United Nations Organization UNO is celebrating 2016 as the option A, International Cooperative Year. Option B, International Youth Year. Option C, International Biodiversity Year. Option D, International Pulses Year. The correct answer is option C, International Biodiversity Year. Let us move to the next question. Look at the 12th question asked for RRB in the year 2019 like this. When is the International Yoga Day celebrated? Option A, 21st March. Option B, 21st June. Option C, 21st September. Option D, 21st July. The correct answer is the International Yoga Day celebrated on 21st June. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Let us move to the 13th question. Look at the 13th question asked for RRB in the year 2018 like this. World Population Day is observed on option A, 11th July. Option B, 8th May. Option C, 5th June. Option D, 16th October. The correct answer is option A, 11th July. 11th July is observed as World Population Day. The next question is, look at the 14th question asked for EPFO, means Employees Provident Fund Organization, in the year 2017 like this. United Nations Organization was established on option A, 24th October 1945. Option B, 25th October 1945. Option C, 26th October 1945. Option D, 25th October 1948. The correct answer is 24th October 1945. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Let us move to the last question. Look at the last question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. The Bangladesh Liberation War ended on option A, 14th November 1972. Option B, 16th December 1971. Option C, 17th October 1971. Option D, 2nd October 1974. The correct answer is option D, 2nd October 1974. I hope you got my point. With this, my dear friends, I am concluding this video. In the next video, we will discuss some more answers for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Have a great day.
GeoByte.